Hi guys, my name is Rochelle Andrea Serena, and for today's video I am going to demonstrate how to use an electric kettle and how to clean it. First, wipe the inside part of the electric kettle with a damp cloth and make sure that you will wipe all sides so that no harmful microorganisms will remain. Next, put some liquid dishwashing gel on the damp cloth and wipe it on the outside parts of the kettle. First, put some water on the kettle. Always remember not to fill it with water because it might damage the kettle. Next, you plug it into the outlet. Then put the kettle on the base and close it. You'll know that it is done boiling your water if the light is already off. After it is done boiling, unplug the wire on the outlet. And that's it! Serve well and enjoy! That's it guys! Thank you for watching till the end. Hope you learned a lot from me. Stay safe and God bless. Bye!